This CommSafe Slow Feeder Bowl Fun Feeder Dish is for cats and puppies. Inside the box comes this exquisite ceramic white bowl that is 8.5 inches wide and made with really cute whale designs. It comes with a 3-inch high wooden stand as well as anti-slip stickers that you apply on the bottom of the stand, and it prevents the bowl from slipping as well as any slippage on the ground. The design is perfect to add food, and it allows the animal to be able to eat without gulping too fast. This product also allows for there to be less pressure on the cat's cervical spine by having it raised. Easy to clean and easy to dry. This is the perfect bowl to keep your cat or your puppy healthy.